Jack Dorsey's first tweet is going under the hammer and is expected to fetch $2.5 million. The proceeds from the digital auction will go for charity. Just setting up my Twitter. The first ever tweet went live for sale after Dorsey listed it as a unique digital signature on a website for selling tweets as non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs. Dorsey's 15-year-old tweet could attract bidders to pay a high price for the digital memorabilia. The highest bid for the tweet currently stands at $2.5 million. The auction will end on March 21st. The proceeds from Dorsey's tweet will be donated to Give Directly, a fundraising project to provide cash to families living in extreme poverty in Africa. What are NFTs? NFTs are digital files that serve as digital signatures to certify who owns photos, videos, and other online media. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a cryptographic token that represents something unique, a characteristic that sets it apart. The value comes from their uniqueness. They are not interchangeable. Recently, many artists and musicians have sold crypto arts using these tokens. What happens to the tweet? The tweet itself will continue to live on Twitter. You can buy the digital certificate of the tweet, which is unique because it has been signed and verified by the creator. This autographed digital certificate will only be issued once on a site named Valuables. It is signed using cryptography and includes metadata of the original tweet, like when the tweet was posted, what the text contents are of the tweet, the timestamp of the tweet, and the digital signature of the creator's crypto wallet address. Click the link in the description below for more details.